All right, and I'm gonna start at the top here and just the tip. And you'll see how I'm really making the brush do the work. Sometimes you get lucky and you can even do a perfect circle. And then I'm gonna come around on the opposite side here. And if you really start to trust your brush, you'll actually notice that naturally, if you just let your brush go for it, it will make that perfect circle. And I'm just going to fix it while I'm here. Really focusing on the outside looking pretty. If you want to do the cleanup last, that's entirely up to you. But this will definitely help me focus on making the center as clean as I can make it. Then I'm going to come around with that second stroke, really focusing on the center here. Wonderful. And then another opposite banana shape coming around. We have a great worksheet for this. That's all practice strokes. And if you definitely do those brush drills, you'll totally see an improvement with no time at all. Practice makes perfect. And then this makes it much easier to realize I've got an anomaly there, and that's where I want to clean up. It's a jagged edge, and that will definitely stick out more than in your letter forms such as like E's or H's, because there's a lot of corners on that, but there are no corners on your O, so you definitely want to make it smooth. And then if I want to get fussy, I can fix that part right here. And perfect, there you have it. You have your Gothic letter O.